Hello everyone, today's topic is essay on Nagaland state in English. Please do subscribe my channel. Introduction. Nagaland is the state of northeastern region of India. Nagaland became the 16th state of India on 1st December 1963. It covers an area of 16,579 square kilometers. Nagaland is known for its rich cultural heritage and diverse tribal communities. There are 16 districts of Nagaland. The largest city of Nagaland is Dimapur. The official language of Nagaland is English. Kohima is the capital of Nagaland state. It is also known as the land of festivals. It is bordered by the Indian states of Arunachal Pradesh to the north, Assam to the west, Manipur to the south, and Zhejiang region of Myanmar, Burma to the east. Information about Nagaland. Traditional dress. The most prominent item of Naga dress is the shawl. The traditional dress of man consists of alangstu and clit. The woman consists of aju, jangapsu, mechela, nikro and mohair tusk. Flora and fauna. There are so many species of the flora in Nagaland state. Flora includes such as pine species, teak, eucalyptus, gomari and silver oak. The forests are rich in orchid also. Fauna includes such as stag, bear, mithun, sleuth, barking deer, wild hog, mountain deer, pangolin, wildcats, elephants, monkeys, flying fox, flying squirrel, Himalayan giant squirrel, civets, golden langur, snakes, python, wild dogs and many more animals and birds. Festivals. There are lots of festivals celebrated in Nagaland state. Some festivals names are Hornbill Festival, Tuluni, Hega, Sukrunyi, Sekrenyi, Tisukene, Along, Naknulem, Mimkut, Tokho, Imong, Mui, Motsu, Bushajiba and many more. Music and dance. In Nagaland, folk music is dominated by string instruments. The major folk dances of Nagaland include Modse, Agushi Kukula, Butterfly Dance, Alu Yattu, Sadai Kekai, Changai Dance, Kuki Dance, Leshha Laptu, Khambalim, Mayu Dance, Ringma, Monyosho, Sicha, Kukui, Kucho, Shankai and Moyashi, etc. Cuisine, food. The famous food of Nagaland are jutho, bamboo shoot, bushmeat, hinkejvo, samathu, fish in bamboo, akini, akebe, black sticky rice pudding, exum, etc. Industries. The major items exported from Nagaland state are ceramic and the allied products and electric machinery and equipment, electronics components, human hair, electronics instruments and cotton fabrics. It is a rich variety of natural, cultural, hydropower, minerals, petroleum, forestry, tourism and many other industries. Agriculture. The various kinds of crops cultivated in the Nagaland are pulses, oil, seeds, fiber, sugarcane, potatoes, rice, tobacco and millets. Cardamom and tea are also grown as plantation crops in Nagaland. Natural resources. Nagaland is rich in natural resources. About 1/6 of Nagaland is covered by tropical and subtropical evergreen forests, including palms, bamboo, rattan, mahogany and timber forests. It is a various natural minerals, oil, petroleum, marble, clay, coal, magnetite, iron, limestone and many more. Temples. There are so many temples in the Nagaland state. Some names are Shiv Temple, Dimapur Jain Temple, Dimapur Kalibari Temple, Durgabari Temple, Tiju River Temple, Nepali Temple, Durga Temple, Vokha, Shiv Temple and many more. Jewelry. Nagaland jewelry is made from a variety of the materials such as carnelian, glass beads, coral, bronze, boar tusks, shells, ivory, conch shells and cowries. The jewelry obsessed with beautiful earrings, armpits, anklets, necklaces and many more. Tribals. There are 17 major tribes. The names are Angami tribe, Ao tribe, Chakisang tribe, Chang tribe, Konyak tribe, Khemnangan tribe, Kuki tribe, Kachari tribe, Lotha tribe, Phom tribe, Sumi tribe, Rengma tribe, Pochari tribe, Sangatam tribe, Tikhir tribe, Jelan tribe, Yemkhungim tribe. Botanical garden. Kohima Botanical Garden is a botanical garden in Kohima city, Nagaland, India. It is located in the New Ministers Hill ward of Kohima. The garden is looked after by the Nagaland Forest Department. It is a beautiful garden. Wildlife sanctuaries. Nagaland is one of the states in India that is located to some of the most famous wildlife sanctuaries and national parks in the country. Some names are Natangaki National Park, Kohima Wildlife Sanctuary, Fakim Wildlife Sanctuary, Rangapur Reserve Forest, Singwan Wildlife Sanctuary, Pulibaj Wildlife Sanctuary, Ghosu Bird Sanctuary and many more. There are so many animals and birds like monkey, golden langur, elephant, squirrel, wild boar and many more. Tourist places. Nagaland state is very famous for its tourist destinations. Some tourist places names are Kohima War Cemetery, Dimapur, Longleng, Kohima Zoo, Museum, Mokok Chung, Vokha, Meluri, Phek, Japfu Peak, Tuensang, Duzuku Valley, Doyang River, Naga Bazar and many more places. Other important things. Nagaland has its own architectural style. Nagaland is known for its bamboo, cane products, weaving, wood carving, works of art and crafts, basketry, pottery, metalwork, jewelry and beadwork. Conclusion. Nagaland state is small but very famous for its amazing things. Nagaland is famous for its natural beauty, 17 tribes and various ancient temples. There is a lot of natural resources, industries, handicrafts, architecture, tourist places, wildlife sanctuaries and many more. It is a very beautiful state. Thanks for watching.